Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got another advent calendar. They haven't stopped. I've got a few more to go, and this is from eBay. Thank you to a couple of you that messaged me to let me know about this advent calendar. It costs $49.99. It has a value of $250, and all proceeds are going to charity, to the Hygiene Bank. And all products are new. They're not secondhand, they're not used, they're all new. There's 25 products in this 24-day advent calendar, and on the 24th day there's 2 products inside, and 5 of the items are full size. If you want to learn more about the Hygiene Bank, that is dedicated to helping hygiene poverty around the UK, and if you're interested in purchasing this advent calendar for yourself, as always, you'll find all the details down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to open it up and seeing what's inside. Okay, so day number 1. We got Ciati London. This is a Velvet Skin Cream Blush in shade Fancy. If you're a regular to my channel and you notice that the lighting is a little bit off, my ring light's broken, so it's a little bit darker than usual. But I will be getting a new one very soon. I have tried this one before. I've received it in a beauty box and it's really nice. You only literally need a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm not sure if I've had this colour, but yeah, it's nice. Just gives a little bit of a dewy finish to it. So yeah, so we got a cream blush there for day number 1. Day number 2, you're all going to fall. We got Dr. Pawpaw, and this is the multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. This is the original for lips, skin and cuticles, and like finishing touches. We like this in this house. We use it for everything really. The boys use it for the lips, I use it for my cuticles. Dr. Pawpaw has a lot of these products and some of them are tinted as well, but no, I prefer the original. It's more multi-purpose then. Day number 3. We got Nooks, and this is Very Rose. It's a cleansing gel mask, and there's 15 mils there. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it won't slip out. So you got a Very Rose cleansing gel mask there by Nooks. Day number 4, we got Falorga, and this is a Meso mask, soothing radiance mask, and there's 15 mils here. Again, this used to be a firm favourite in beauty boxes a couple of years ago. There's no information about the products on the back of them because they're sample travel sizes. But yeah, from what I remember anyway, it's a really nice mask. I remember getting excited when I used to receive that in beauty boxes. Day number 5, we got something for your hair. This is Living Proof. This is a triple bond complex. It's a hair strengthener. There is 15 mils there. Apply a small amount to clean damp hair, comb through. For best results, wait 10 minutes and then blow dry. So it's a hair treatment mask. Day number 6, we've got Lottie London. This is a Ready Set Go. It's a setting powder and it's in true translucent. There, so it's translucent. And there's 5 grams there. Day number 7. I wonder if this will be the first of the full-size items. And it's wrapped up. I don't know. This is Scalp Scrub. It's an exfoliating scalp scrub by Umberto Gianni. Natural exfoliating ingredients remove excess oils to restore a clear scalp for dry and sensitive scalps. And there's 50 mils there. It says transform sluggish, dry, flaky and oily scalps. Apply to wet hair pre-shampoo, massage gently into the scalp, leave for 5 to 10 minutes, follow with Scrub Restore Shampoo and Conditioner, if you got those, but yeah. So we've got a scalp treatment there. Day number 8, this is definitely a full size. This is Dr. Jart, and this is Cica Pear Tiger Grass Colour Correcting Treatment. Soothes a look of red, irritated skin, and there's 5 mils. Or maybe it's not then. I don't know. It doesn't tell me. Where's my little knife? I've got this myself, but I'm sure... No, this is a little mini one. It's got to be. This is a really good cream. Really, really good. It's a nice little size, actually. Just for me thinking to take away. Can you see it's green? But then, can you see it transforming? So it colour adapts to your skin. You can wear it alone, almost like a sort of CC cream type base. It's going to give you a very light coverage, neutralise the redness, or you can apply it underneath foundation. Tiger grass is like the #1 ingredient to help soothe red sensitive skins. So yeah, happy with that. Day number 9 over here. It doesn't feel like, oh, I was going to say, it doesn't feel like there's anything in there. Oh, this is really small. This is Ico London, and this is a lip gloss. This is Galactic Lip Gloss. My dyslexia got in the way then. It's not a lip gloss, it's a lid gloss. It's a creamy eyeshadow in shade Zodiac, and there's 4 mils there. I probably just squirted 2 mils on my hand. Oh, it just came out too fast. But look, that is stunning, isn't it? That is really, really pretty. Wow. You don't need as much as I put on there. Oh, it's so pretty. I can see all the different colours. I'm sure I've had it before in beauty boxes. It's just so pretty. But yeah, I'm thinking, what would it be like as a liquid eyeliner? Having like a brush and dipping it in and just creating like a nice big wing. I think that'd be quite lovely. So yeah, small but sweet. Now I've got sparkles all over my hands. It won't come off. Day number 10. Up here. This is Crimson Nail Lacquer by Nail HQ. Here you go. That's a nice colour. Yeah, really pretty. Like a sort of like a raspberry type red. I know the lighting isn't as good, but yeah, I think that's really pretty. I have mine done in the salon, but my toes don't see any professionals. I do them myself. Day number 11. This is a big one as well. Why do I think big ones mean full sizes? Well, oh no, oh no, oh no. Day number 11. Can't get them back to what they were. Can't remember. Never mind. KMS Conscious Style. A multi-benefit spray for natural texture and flexible hold. 45 mils there. Spray onto towel dry hair and just style as usual. So yeah, so it's a multi-benefit spray for texture and flexibility. Day number 12, we've got Eve Lom. This is Kiss Mix, and this is a lip cream. There's 7 mils there. It's for moisture and hydration. So it's essentially like a treatment cream for your lips. No, I can't smell it. My sense of smell has disappeared. I don't think there's a scent to it anyway. Mind you, Eve Lom do quite smelly products. I can't smell it now anyway. But that's not to say that there is a smell. So a lip treatment balm for your lips. Day number 13, and we have got Moroccan oil, and this is a treatment for your hair. It's for all hair types. There is 10 mils there. So you apply just a tiny bit through damp or dry hair and then just style as normal. No, I can't smell. That is the most weirdest thing. I have never ever experienced that. Even when I had COVID, and I've had COVID a few times, when it, you know, a couple of years ago, and I never ever lost my sense of smell or taste, and both of them are gone, and they've gone for, this is coming up to day 4, I think. I'm feeling better in myself. I have had a cold, a really nasty cold, but yeah, I'm sure Moroccan oil has really nice smell to it, but no, nothing at all. So that's for your hair. I just realised maybe I have got COVID. We don't test anymore, do we? Well, we don't have tests at home. And I did have like a flu. Maybe it is. I don't know. Did I tell you what? Day number 14. And we have got Peter Thomas Roth. This is Instant Firm X for eyes. It's temporary eye tightener. Instantly tightens and firms the look of under eye puffiness. And there's 5 mils there. I've got one of these saved up, ready to use with my husband. He suffers really badly from really puffy eyes. I don't suffer from puffy eyes, thankfully, but you know, they do get dark, but not like puffy and don't look like I've got bags under them. But yeah, no, I'll save that again. I just haven't got around to doing it. It's somewhere in my room where I keep all my beauty stuff there. But apparently it's supposed to be really, really good. So I thought, well, it's pointless me trying it because I can't compare it, or else my husband, yeah, I'll wait until his eyes are looking particularly bad and then I'll do it. I'll grab him. Day number 15, we've got Balance Me, and this is a Rose Otto face oil, 100% natural. Yeah. And there's 10 mils here. This is a roller oil. I remember this. All the products that we're seeing so far in this advent calendar, if you have been a subscriber to Glossybox, Look Fantastic, Birchbox, Rockerbox, etc., You will have seen all these because nearly all of these products that I've had so far, we used to see them in beauty boxes, and we still see some of them still today as well. It feels really nice on my skin. You know, I've just blended it all in there, so you're not going to see anything, but it does feel really nice. But I remember having that before. Day number 17. I've made a space to put it back. Okay. And we have got Neom Organics, and this is a perfect night's sleep overnight facial cream. Hydrates and plumps for well-rested skin. There is 10 mils there. Neom Organics do the most amazing candles and re-diffusers, and yeah, I've tried this before as well in a beauty box. So yeah, it's a night cream. Day number 18. And we've got a nude sticks. I like this one. This is a gel colour, a lip and cheek balm in shade Posh. Yeah, it's nice. This is a little travel size. Can intensify it. I would use this more for my lips. Although it is lovely as a blush, but can you see I'm tugging a little bit on my skin, and because I've got redness in my skin, I don't want any product when I'm blending it in to like tug on my skin, because it's just going to take off any makeup I've got on underneath. But no, that is nice. It's very, very subtle there. I would use that as a lip pencil. Day number 19. This Works, and this is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. It contains 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C that helps plump and brighten morning skin. And there's 15 mils there. And yet another product that was familiar in beauty boxes, and no extra information on the back there, just to apply to your skin each morning to maximise the plumping effects. But yeah, it's a hyaluronic serum with vitamin C. Day number 20, we have got Molten Brown. This is Eau de Toilette. Oh, orange and bergamot. Do you know what? I think this is the very first time I've had a perfume from Molten Brown. I've had all the showers and bath gels. So it's a 1.5 sample there, but it's in orange and bergamot, which is gorgeous. See, it's only a little one like that. Oh, actually, I can smell a bit. See, I think it's coming back. It's so subtle, and I know the smell isn't subtle. I do love the orange and bergamot one, the shower gel anyway, so I could just smell something. So yeah, there's a little sample there. Day 21, we got Elemis, and this is a Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. It's a rejuvenating eye mask, and there's 4 mils there. And even though it says it's an eye mask, you don't wash it off or anything, you just apply it to your under eye area and you leave it. I've tried this many times, and yeah, even though it's a teeny tiny one, that is a nice size actually, because I know I like it. That's a nice size to like put in my little travel bags, ready for a like trip away or something. Day number 22, and we have got Ren Clean Skincare. This is Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. 92% said skin look brighter. Enjoy your sample. It's ready to recycle. There's 15 mils here. This is a gorgeous liquid exfoliant as well. Oh, look at this. It's so small and it's cute. It's so cute. So you'd apply it after you cleanse your face, and then before you add all your serums and moisturisers to gently exfoliate and encourage cell renewal for brighter, more radiant skin. Day number 23, got Dr. Levy, and this is Intense Stem Cell Eye Booster Concentrate. Oh, another eye product. There is 7 mils here. So yeah, quite a pricey brand. And I've tried this before as well. It's nice, made in Switzerland, no extra information, but Intense Stem Cell Eye Booster. So no, that's going to go in my little travel, ready to travel bag. So day 24, the last day of the advent calendar, and they said that there's 2 products in here, and they're 2 full-size ones. So we've got Grande Lash, and this is MD Lash Enhancing Serum, and I know that this is worth £64 or around there anyway, because I've had it in another advent calendar recently, and I think I've had it in different beauty boxes before, and I'm always like, whoa, shocked at the price. So it's a lash serum. You apply it to your lash line to encourage growth. See, there's that. Doesn't work on me. I'm not going to go into detail. Oh, hormones though. And we've got Cordially, and what have we got here? We've got Vinergetic C+, Instant Detox Mask. It tightens pores, removes excess oil, and yeah, there's 15 mils there. It's only like a mini version. It doesn't tell you on the back how to use it. So for any of these products that you're not sure how to use, you're going to have to Google online. It looks like a clay mask. Yeah, I can't remember if I've had this before, if I've used it, but sniffing again. Yeah, so it's an instant detox mask, removes excess oils and tightens pores. I love the little lid in Cordially. So there you go, those are day 24. Those are all the products inside the eBay in collaboration with This Is Beauty. It costs £49.99, it has a value of £250, and all proceeds go to the Hygiene Bank charity. The fact that all proceeds go to charity is one of the big reasons why I bought this. I thought that was so good. And having a look on the eBay website, you can see how many have been sold. And when I last looked, there was like 350 of them have been sold, and there's still more available. As far as the products are concerned in this calendar, I wouldn't say that it's a wow advent calendar. There's some lovely products in there. They're all just samples basically, with a couple of minis and a few full sizes. If you compare it to Hoggies, which is so good, I unboxed that about 2 weeks ago. It basically, if you haven't seen it, if you've heard of TK Maxx, then yeah, you need to see it because it's a good one. And it's just like if TK Maxx were to do an advent calendar, that is what it would look like. You got Holland and Barrett as well. That was a £45 advent calendar. Some really amazing products in that one. So when you do compare it to just in those two advent calendars, it doesn't seem like you're getting a lot in comparison then. Oh, I can't be harsh because it's for charity and it all goes to charity. It's a nostalgia type advent calendar for me. Because nearly all the products that I showed you are products that I've seen in beauty boxes, say from 2017 onwards. So yeah, it's not wow, it's not like, oh my god, amazing. No, it's not, but it's got some really lovely products in there, but they are mainly sample sizes. I don't know, I could go on and on. What's your thoughts? What do you think of it? What do you think of the products? Have you bought one for yourself? I want to know. What do you think? So please let me know. Take care. Bye.